Credit Salary of India 42 session welcomes you through the organized self-employment ministry. Fiscal credit salary is the modern requirements of the state administration because fiscal credit salary is half salary. Here we are able to manage large monetary and fiscal development through the credit. In the fiscal credit salary, we are providing the process of people through the self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month swing. Here we are trying to give them equal wages on the basis of the work 56 hours. The system is that a person gets constitutional validity on the income work, direct ministry budget connection, organized self-employed ministry budget office, address and senior benefits, social security scheme uniformly. All these are provided to infinite population, infinite profession. And in one branch, organized self-employed ministry is having 365 members, and for those who are having 366 members, so on that basis it is there. So on that basis it provide the organized self-employment ministry the setup of this. So on that basis it is being made on that basis. So here we have to keep these things in mind, that the organized self-employment ministry is doing on the basis of this, that the means illiterate 165 rupees per day fiscal credit wage. Literate means the means salary will be 2500 rupees. Literate 180 rupees, and salary 2750 rupees. For the fifth pass 250 rupees. Salary is 200 salary is 3500 rupees. For the eighth pass it is 300 rupees. Salary is 3500 rupees. For the 10th pass it is 375 rupees. Salary is 5500 rupees. For the 12th pass it is 430 rupees. Salary is 6500 rupees. For the for the graduation it is 500 rupees. Salary is 7500 rupees. For the post graduation 560 rupees. Salary is 8500 rupees. For the MPhil it is 612 and 20 rupees. Salary is 9500 rupees. For the delete it is 680 rupees. Salary is 8000 10,500 rupees. For the PhD it is 750 rupees. Salary is 11,500 rupees. So these are the various ways by which the credit has been provided. Apart from this, fiscal credit salary has also provided educational certificate power, like organized self-employment ministry budget of India University has been made. By this university a person can achieve by 10 MA degree. Like after PhD you can have the specialization in BA, MA, MPhil, delete any of the degree, and 10 MA degree will provide you 10 MA degree or 10 BA degree or 10 MPhil degree or 10 PhD degree will provide you 50,000 rupees per month in cash till last. 20 MA degree will provide 1 lakh rupees per month in cash, and 30 MA degree or BA degree or MPhil degree or PhD will provide 1 lakh 50,000 rupees per month in cash. So and in between you will continue getting money. Apart from this, 4-year promotion is there. Fiscal grade salary is cash, means each person will be getting cash whatever the salary is there. So on that basis the organized self-employment ministry works in India. Organized self-employment ministry is having fiscal credit salary. Our expenditure per month is 80,000 80 lakh 80,130 lakh crore, and on that basis this process is coming under the process of this. So in that way we are having this process. On that cash cash lakh will be there, and this is coming under the 90% credit, because credit management is being projected in this. In this management, we are trying to make a system where each and every person is provided with credit. Like just now, if a person is earning, government give validity that yes, this is the earning, then there is no problem in that, and then the management can be easily done. There is the monetary and fiscal measures on that basis where we are trying to make the arrangement. So fiscal credit salary provide these types of organization where it is trying to make a system on that. Apart from this, the organized self-employment ministry budget is also providing right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget. We should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. There should be three budget system: annual budget one ministry, railway budget one ministry, and organized self-employment ministry. We should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. Our constitutional life should be between 0 to 18 years if required, and 18 to 58 years for all, by self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing to certain ministry of it. We should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. These are the facilities which has been made so that the cash system can be made. Apart from this, the fiscal credit salary is also making uniform social security scheme. It is like we have 56-hour work schedule system, means every person, 150 crore population is there, whichever work they are able to do. On that basis, register is provided in the organized self-employed ministry. In one organized self-employed ministry, 365 members are there, and 8 managers will be there in each organized self-employed ministry budget office. And one first manager will be organized self-employment central manager, second will be organized self-employment state manager, third will be fiscal credit salary manager, fourth will be direct ministry connection manager, fifth will be educational certificate manager, sixth will be women manager, seven will be the monthly document manager, and eighth will be industrial manager. These managers will be looking after the organized self-employed ministry management, and on that basis it will try to develop the society. Apart from this, 56-hour work framework according to qualification will be of each person, and each person will be provided self-employment government job. And double salary system means private sector job is always open, because 7 days work we are providing here, 4 Sundays are there, and 2 day leave can be taken. So on that basis, 7 day work can be completed, and on that basis salary can be taken. It is just 56-hour salary, a small amount we are providing in the fiscal credit salary, and on that basis it is trying to. The organized self-employed ministry budget act is the act which provide employment, because basic development of the country is based on employment. If the employment will be good, automatically there will be more development in the system, and this system will flourish on that basis. So we have to understand that the employment is the most important part, and employment requires the salary, and this salary part is covered by the fiscal credit salary. Fiscal credit salary is important provisions in the constitution after 2001. This book is Truth Only Trumps, written by Amiteshwar Jha. The book cost is 651 rupees, and it is published by Om Namah Shivaya publication. The office, head office is Sardapur Mahatit, organized self-employed ministry, Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, India, pin code 847407. And mobile number and WhatsApp number and OSMB office number from India is 63973607117. Email address is osemboffice2001@gmail.com. Second is Om Namah Shivaya Publication Office @gmail.com, and third is Labour Party of India Office 2001@gmail.com. So in this way, you can purchase this book. Price is flexible according to your liking. Price can be adjusted. Six Rashtrapati Bhavan are there. Shiv Shakti Welfare Bhavan Rashtrapati Bhavan, Mandir documents. Second Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Damitra Rashtrapati Bhavan. Third is Brahma Saraswati Law Education Rashtrapati. Fourth is Adi Shakti Jagadamba Rashtrapati. Fifth is each United World Government. Sixth is Hindu Government Tertiary Rashtrapati Bhavan. Six Rashtrapati Bhavan are six minority Rashtrapati Bhavan. Muslim Rashtrapati Bhavan, Jain Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parsi Rashtrapati Bhavan, Bodh Rashtrapati Bhavan, Sikh Rashtravan and Christian Rashtravan. So all people are set in that. Based on that, six United Truth on Literums book part is written. This book is costing 2,551 rupees and price is flexible. You can purchase this book through parcel and it will reach to your home. If you are a bookseller, you can keep it at your shop and sell it. So the all things are written in this fiscal credit salary, how it will be improved, what is the table of fiscal credit salary and how it will be managed. Because we are doing padyatras in the villages to promote the organized self-employment ministry, because direct ministry connection, constitutional validity, organized self-employment ministry, it collects the unorganized sector. There will be no unorganized sector in this, because each person will be given preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed number. In the preamble wise organized self-employed number, below 50,000 people, those who are, and for that we have made provision constitutional document, educational certificate 10 MA degree will provide them above 50,000. It will take 20 years time. We have provided the university also. For the organized self-employment ministry, budget of India university is also available, and form filling 365 days, two time exams are there, June and December, so that people can cover it by and go as much salary as they want. Plus there will be a roundup on that. Apart from this, we are also having other facilities in the fiscal credit salary. Uniform social security system is there. We are keeping private sector free. We are believing in globalization, liberalization, privatization, and no policy has been overthrown on that. Apart from the reservation policy which has been made from 1950 onward, that also we are keeping in mind. We are never changing. Apart from this, the government job competitive atmosphere will continue, because in government job competition, those who are qualifying above 50%, they are above 50,000, they are going immediately. So these provisions we have done for the development of this society. Apart from this, we have also provided other types of facilities like office chair, address, means people do not have to wander, because it is government organization plus private organization, both are collaborating, means we are working as private. Here government is as weak as private sector and as strong as private sector, means there is no difference. As private sector is providing job like this only, similarly we are also here providing law. And the voting system is same. No political party, no state political party is facing any problem. It is just economic independence of India. It is just economic independence of India, because it is providing a system by which each person will be getting self-employment government job and fiscal credit salary. It is our constitutional duty. We are spending crores and crores of rupees in various types of investment in the welfare, but we are not directly doing welfare. This is the policy by which we are getting direct welfare, direct, and it is optional also. Those who are self-sufficient, those who do not require these types of support from the government, they cannot come. Like in voting system also, we are having like 60 to 70 50 to 60% voters are coming for the voting, and the rest are not coming for the voting. So on that basis, it is trying to make the development of this. So we are trying to make the organized self-employment ministry budget system on the basis of that. So organized self-employment ministry budget system is working on that. Fiscal credit salary is provided to each and every person, and it is possible through the constitutional reality. We are doing Padyatra support Labour Party of India with fist of the hand under the guidance of Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, and subscribe this channel. As much you will subscribe this channel, as much validity will come from your side, because it is public opinion. Your public opinion is very important. If you will understand, you will be having the solution of the problem. The economic power India will develop because everyone will have regularized income and everyone will be developing. This all will be going. Most important part is that everyone be getting self-employment government. So support us for this. Thank you.